Alright guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be talking about how to connect your Bump cryptocurrency wallet to Tonkeeper. Alright, so last time I made a video about this Bump, okay, on how to mine cryptocurrency, like Bump cryptocurrency. So today I'll be talking about on how to connect your your wallet to Tonkeeper, okay, because the future, okay, of connecting this wasn't available back then. Okay, this currency, this airdrop is a huge airdrop, okay, and we are on early stage. That's why you're seeing here I'm currently earning 387 million, okay, of this Bump, right? So if you really want to do this is the best time in doing that. So with that being said, let's jump in. What I'm talking about in this crypto space, okay, this channel, I talk about cryptocurrency on how to make money online, as you can see right here. Okay, so with that being said, so today I'm going to be showing you guys on how to do that. And where I just showed you guys the arrow, okay, where you're seeing this arrow going straight up, that's where you will be clicking, okay, to connect your wallet. Okay, as you can see here, this is the process in connecting your wallet, right? So in this process right now, as you can see, you can like connect through Telegram, but I don't like connecting through Telegram, okay, because Telegram can tweak at any time, ban you at any time and so on like that. So I just want to like click on this Tonkeeper right here. Okay, so if you don't have, you can actually use Tonkeeper, Tonhub and so on like that. Okay, so I'm just gonna like click on that. So it's gonna take us to the next page, straight to my Tonkeeper app. So all we just have to do is to wait for it to load. So as you can see here, it's showing me connect, right? So this is the one they call automatic, okay, this one goes directly. So they're gonna show me bestgram Telegram. So currently I'm using bestgram, okay, it's done connecting, and I'm going back to my wallet right here, the Bump, okay, app. So as you can see right here, it's all connected, right? Evening, it's all connected right here. Okay, so whenever they want to run a giveaway or they are ready to launch, okay, they're going to be sending it directly. So right now you now know how to connect, okay, your wallet easily, that can actually receive this airdrop, okay, this Bump airdrop. So goes to Hamster, so goes to TapSwap and so on like that, but most of them have different kind of ways in connecting their wallet. Okay, so I'm going to tell you, ask you if you want to connect it manually or automatically and so on like that. So right here, if you stay to the end of this video, I'm going to be showing you guys new ways in earning, okay, cryptocurrency, right? So as you can see here, I'm currently mining at 85,000, and this is the tab. Okay, I'm just going to like go real quick to show you guys. This is the tab, okay, for you tapping. This is auto farm, okay, and this is the bot right here, okay, mining. So right here there's a new feature, okay, that they just added, these vouchers right here, because I also need you guys to stay. So I'm going to show you guys, this video is a quick one, so I'm not going to like go straight all over. If you want to watch on how to do this, you can watch the previous video, okay. And now this is the vouchers you're seeing right here. I'm just going to like click on that. Okay, it says sale is on pause right now. Okay, when they launched it, okay, a lot of people did most of their stuff like that. They say if you have a purchase, you are sure to receive it soon. It will let you know, okay, as you can see right here. Okay, for people that actually purchase when they actually open this, right? So they say sales is on pause, processing request. All right, so that is how the whole process works. So thank you for listening, and thank you for subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell icon.